Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on your favorite channel, IT DAT, IT that is. So you've just downloaded a brand new video or you've popped in your favorite DVD and you're like,
yes! Remote driving system activated.
Let's go!
But then you get these turbo pop-ups like, or this one. But you want to watch your video. How do you solve this? Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to do it. Hello guys, I keep getting this question over and over and over. What do I do when videos don't want to play? When DVDs don't want to play? And I have the same answer for everyone. Let me explain a little bit. One of the reasons why these videos will not play is that your computer, whether it be a laptop or a desktop, does not have the codecs to play the video. So it cannot decode the digital format that the video is in. So back to the question, how do I solve this? Well, you can go all over the internet and search for all these codecs, which will take forever. I definitely don't recommend that. What I do recommend is that you download a different media player, which will be VLC media player. VLC media player plays just about every codec because it has it built in. It plays MPEG 4, MPEG 2, H.264, MKV, WebM, WMV, and also MP3. It will also play different type of files, DVDs, webcam. It will even stream a device that is on your network. And the great thing about it is that it runs on just about every single platform. Whether you're on Windows, Macintosh, Linux, iOS, Android. For those who are concerned, let me put you at ease. It is completely free. No spyware, adware, or malware. They don't even track the users of this software. So, ready to install? Let's go. First, you're going to want to go to Google and type in VLC Media Player. You'll want to choose the one that says official download of VLC Media Player. Once you reach on their website, you'll see where they have a big download VLC button. If you click on the arrow, you will see the different types of platforms. You have Windows, Windows Phone, Mac, Linux, Android, or iOS. I will choose Mac as I'm using a Mac. Once you click that, it should download. I'll put mine in my downloads folder. Once the file is finished downloading, you will go to where you downloaded it and open the file. This is the process to install on a Mac. On a PC, it's very similar. You literally click next, 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 next. On the Mac, I'll drag this into the application folder. It's asking me to replace. As I had this software already, I'll click replace. Once that is done, I'll hit VLC player, hit open, and that's it. The player is installed. Now when you install this player, your computer will be like,
don't freeze.
And VLC will be like,
I never freeze.
Tell me who's gonna save me from myself.
Show off.
And just play that DVD or that video that you downloaded. And as usual, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe. Smash that bell. That way you will know when I create new videos. Like and share this video to everyone that you know. And remember, IT DAT, IT that is.